Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good Memorial Day weekend. I'm going to go over what's coming up in week 2 in this video. I want to just remind everybody that probably the most important thing is to make sure that you are turning the assignments in on time on the day that they're due. If you are doing that, you will complete the course successfully because everything in the course is broken down into daily assignments. So the larger assignments due at the end of the semester is broken up day by day. So if you keep up with that, you will successfully complete the course. And if you've done a good job this first week, I enjoyed reading what you've submitted so far. And let's look at week 2. So for week 2, we have the same pattern where you have a parlor 3 and parlor 4, and then on Thursday you are synthesizing them as you did this past week. You'll notice these other assignments here throughout the week. So these are not things that you turn in, the curiosity and inquiry-based research activity or the reader's guide. They are meant to help you as you start thinking towards what your guiding question, your topic for the inquiry project is going to be. So the inquiry project culminates in this reader's guide. So this kind of gives you an idea of what you're turning in at the end of the course, just so that you know what's on the horizon. You don't need to turn in anything for it yet. And then this gives you an idea as to how we approach inquiry rather than doing thesis-driven research. So this is from a book called Bad Ideas About Writing. And I want to just call your attention to the fact that the book is called Bad Ideas About Writing. So all of the titles will say something that the author thinks is a bad idea about writing. So this author will say that the idea research starts with answers is actually not a good way to think about research, and that research should probably begin with questions instead. Okay, so there's a link to the PDF of that book. It's online. And then on Thursday, you start looking back through your Parlor post for kind of clues into what direction you might want to go in terms of what you research based on our book Co-Intelligence. On Friday, there is a discussion post that's going to lead you through choosing a research topic. And then you're going to set up your research log in a folder that I will share with you during the week. So you should keep your eyes open for a Google folder that you will put all of your documents in from now on, including this research log. And then you have the introduction to the CRAP test and summarizing. These two assignments are meant to prepare you for what you'll be doing for each research log. Okay, so you will be doing something called the CRAP test and a summary for each research log. So these will teach you exactly how to do those. So we are wrapping up Co-Intelligence this week and using that book to choose a research topic. So you want to think of your research topic as having roots in Ethan Mollick's book Co-Intelligence, as well as the topics that you've been discussing in your parlors as well. So please let me know if you have any questions during the week, and keep up the good work.